everyone. So whether you believe in old wives' tales or not, I have an interesting one I'd actually love to share. So some cultural practices believe that if you shave a baby's head, it will actually make the hair grow back thicker as well as faster. Now, there are many critics, literally, online that debunk this theory. But if you wait till the end, I will give you a literal, real-world experience that this theory might actually be true. So in India, for example, head shaving for children is in fact ceremonious and called the Mundan ceremony. Essentially, when a baby's hair begins to grow, it is typically not very strong with scattered follicles. Now, once the weak hair is actually shaved off, the idea is that there's now room for new hair and stronger follicles to grow out of the roots. So if you wait to shave your baby's head until it is hard and firm, the idea is that it will actually become denser as well as stronger. Now, if you still do not believe in head shaving, here is my real world example. So my brother Daniel had his head shaved 3 times as a child, and mine was never shaved. Neither of my parents had their head shaved, and frankly, my brother has literally the most luxurious and lustrous hair of the entire family. I actually grew up being super jealous of my brother's lustrous, luxurious, and frankly, glorious hair. I wish I had, and literally don't. So I did the same for my son, and his hair is glorious too. Wives' tale or not, it's definitely worth a try.